Hello, I'm the Dark Fae, and welcome to another Pusheen box unboxing. This is obviously Halloween themed since this is now the autumn box, and I'm very excited to see what's in it because I love spooky Pusheen. Ooh. Okay, wait. Again, I'm not going to look at the card, but it's adorable because I love Boosheen. Boosheen is so cute. Oh, she's cute. Right, okay. You ready? You're not ready. First off. Also, wait, look at the interior. Real quick. Look at this cute pattern. So cute. God, I love Halloween. So first off is the vinyl. As always, it's super cute. God, I need a Boosheen blush. I meant to get one and then I never did for some reason. You know, with glow in the dark candy. So hang on. Oh, I have like no room to take this out. Look at little Boosheen hurrying her way. Like it's like she could either be like scaring somebody or like she herself is scared. It's like running away. But it's so cute. And it doesn't go in the dark? I don't think. No, I don't think it does. It would have been so cute if this glowed in the dark. But it's still adorable. Next up is, let's see, there's a sort of sweater. Some cool stuff. So next up is this sweater. Ooh. I really like it. It has a little Boosheen. So cute. This is a small, but it looks quite, I think because it's unisex, it's quite big, but honestly, I like big sweaters, so I'm not that mad about it. If I wanted something that actually fit, maybe I'll get like an extra small, but I really like the look of it. It's kind of like tie-dye-ish, but obviously just the one color, gray and black. It's very cute. Next, her socks. I love Pusheen socks. Oh, and it says, "Brewing my best." And I think she's eating like not sure. I think she's eating like a bar of chocolate. So adorable. They're curry socks. One size fits most. 98% polyester, 2% elastane. It's just this one pair of socks. Totally going to wear them. Next is, there's an LED candle, which I guess, yeah, I knew was a thing, but I didn't know that they were like remote controlled. So here's what it looks like. See, it's got like the little flame here. The little Boosheen, of course. So happy that everything is Boosheen themed. Boosheen and pumpkin Pusheen. Two of my favorites. We have batteries to put in you. And let's see. Oh, the whole thing hands. No. Turn off the light. Oh. It's actually a lot brighter than I expected. It's also a little remote. Okay, no, I need batteries for this thing. But I don't. It requires like a watch or like hearing aid battery, I think, which I don't have on me right now. But cool. This is what it looks like. And the little flame kind of goes. Cool. See it make kind of a light. Cute. It's kind of nice if there's ever a power outage. Okay, so that's the candle. Next up is it's a glow-in-the-dark double-walled glass cup. I'm not sure I like drinking or eating apparatuses to be glow-in-the-dark, but I mean, it could also be a cute display item. Ooh, and it's like, it is quite solid glass. The double, oh, that's cool. It's double walled. Like, there's a little, wait, so what parts glow in the dark? Maybe it's the little stickers and such, although this like weird, almost look like there's like tape or like residue on this, or like there's a layer that I can peel off or something. But anyways, it's quite cute. There's Boosheen, there's pumpkins and ghosts and bats. But yeah. So there's that. And then oh, there's 2 more things. 3 more things. This is it's a pom-pom garland. Oh, that's cute. And you can see Boosheens and some pom-poms. So maybe I'll put this up like on my back wall or something like that. I could open it and see what it looks like when it's strung out. Ta-da! This is what it looks like. Little loops so that you can hang them up. Dude, God, I love Boosheen so much. So that's there's enamel pins. I love enamel pins. If you didn't know, I have like such a collection. I got into it with like one of my friends, and it's just ever since I've collected them. And now I've got some Boosheens. Cute. Oh, there's one thing, infinite candy, and then the one going. And then I think the last item now is it's a beanie, the Boosheen beanie. I'm honestly not much of a beanie person, but I mean it's Boosheen, so I actually really like this. It's quite thick, it's nice quality, and it's got a little bit of sparkle. Can't really wear it right now because I've got pigtails, but it's kind of cute. And not usually really a beanie person, but I actually don't hate it for once. I'll figure out the style some other time. But yeah, so I think that's everything in this one. In this box. Yes. Love everything. As always. Because everything's always so good. Admittedly, I don't use like every single thing, but like I love the vinyls, I love like the clothing and like the accessories, just like the cute little things that they have. It's so good. I feel like I'm questioning whether or not if I want to keep the subscription, but then every time I get a box it's like yeah I want it. So to recap, we have the Boosheen, where is it? We have the Boosheen sweater. We've got the glow-in-the-dark cup. We've got the Boosheen vinyl, which is honestly probably my favorite. It's so cute. We've got the LED candle, the pair of socks, which is great and we love it. The pom-pom garland is here. which is now gonna be forever tangled. The beanie. And then last but not least, the enamel pens. So I love Boosheen, I love Halloween. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the, what is this, the fall 2021 Pusheen box. The Boosheen theme, which I love, of course, because Halloween, Pusheen, ghosts, Boosheen. It's very cute. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for notifications when I put out new videos. Love you all, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!